Hello, this is David Floor with my hydrogen generator. This is the second try. I redid the water, put some new KOH in it, and mixed it up and let it sit for a little while. And I'm fixing to crank it back up. I just got it back together just now. And I'm going to crank it up, see what happens. And here we go. Amperage a little higher than the other one was. It's at about 14 volts. And let's just sit here and watch this thing do what it needs to do. Come over here. Just watch it. And this is cold water too, so I tried to make it like natural. It was outside, which I got a plant out the door here. I got to pick up, make sure I bring it back in. Okay. Well, for the initial startup, it's looking like it's doing better. I got my phone plugged up to the wall here so I don't take up so much power. For the initial cranking up, it's doing a lot better. So what I'm going to do is put this on pause. Right now it is 6:42, so I'm going to pause this and probably come back in about 10 minutes and check it out, and so you can see if it's doing any better too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause it, be back in here in a few. Okay, 6:52. It's not doing much better, but still cold water. I don't even know if it's gone up any, so might have to up the potency of the KOH, but being that I got one more neutral in between the positive and negative, which I got 5 neutrals and positive negative, 5 neutrals, positive negative, so I'll pause this thing again and come back and see what it's doing in another 10 minutes. So now it is 6:53. I'll see you in about 10 minutes or roundabouts. Okay, here we're back. 7:02, another 10 minutes, and it's not doing much better. So I'm learning this camera. I like this camera. And pause it and come back to it and do it again. And we're not but same thing. About almost 3 amps. I guess that extra neutral in the generator is really making that power come down. So what I'm gonna have to do now is change that water again, and instead of a tablespoon and a half of KOH, I'm gonna go all the way up to 2 tablespoons of KOH and up the potency of it. So I'm gonna have to change all the water back out, and I hate it. But being that I put the extra neutral in, that's what it's doing right now. So I can't do nothing about it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this up and come back after I get all this done, and so this camera won't be in the way, because it will be in the way if I lay it over here. Okay. Thank you to YouTube. Let me put this up. I'll see y'all in a few. Bye.